Yes. तो अभी एक ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायर्स फेडरेशन का जो सर्कुलर है वो जो कि डेटेड है 3 सितंबर 2022। द ऑफिस बियर सेंट्रल कमेटी मेंबर स्टेट कमेटी चीफ्स AIBRF। ये लेटर लिखा गया डियर कॉमरेड्स। तो इसका जो टाइटल है, द टाइटल इज रिगार्डिंग अपडेशन ऑफ पेंशन ऑफ बैंक रिटायरीज रिगार्डिंग लॉन्चिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट राउंड ऑफ एक्शन या प्रोग्राम्स। तो इसमें जो इन दिस जो नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम रहेगा फॉर लॉन्चिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट राउंड ऑफ एक्शन प्रोग्राम एंड वो क्या रहेगा उसके रिगार्डिंग में ये सर्कुलर है। एज ऑल ऑफ यू आर अवेयर AIBRF has been continuously on struggle path on demand of updation of pension and has been organizing programs one after another since 2017 to achieve it. So guys, please subscribe to my channel for latest banking updates। अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो प्लीज डू मेक श्योर। एंड उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट है, द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एफर्ट्स एंड स्ट्रगल ऑफ AIBRF इन लास्ट 7 years हैव brought the issue of updation in focus and has immensely helped in creating favorable atmosphere on the issue. In this regard, the following developments are worth noting. In past, what were the developments that occurred? We gonna read that first. First is first time Honorable Finance Minister Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman, while addressing AGM of IBA on 10th November 2020, identified updation issues on social issues to provide dignity and respect to retirees and asked the bankers to accept the responsibility of providing a dignified life to those retired in earlier years. In her speech, while talking on the issue, she did not make any mention about the cost factor for updation and identified it as social issue to be taken as corporate responsibility. The speech was major and significant shift in the earlier approach of the government on updation issue. So this was the first time, ये पहली बार हुआ जो हमारी फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर हैं श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमन, उन्होंने एक AGM की जो मीटिंग थी IBA में उसमें बोला, शी टॉक्ड अबाउट द हैविंग अ providing dignity to the retired bank pensioners. And second, while replying in question hour in June 2021 in Rajya Sabha, the government had expressed its intention to consider updation proposal as and when received from IBA. It was also major shift in the earlier stand of the government on the issue in our opinion. Formation of committee by IBA in July 2021 to examine the updation issue is another move forward toward resolution of this important issue. तो ये सब 3 पॉइंट्स जो अभी हमने पढ़े हैं, इससे पता चलता है भी क्या क्या अपग्रेडेशंस रिगार्डिंग बैंक पेंशन हो रही है। मीन्स जो हमारे फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर हैं, देन राज्यसभा एंड देन द कमेटी फॉर्मेशन इन IBA means development is going on regarding bank pension updation. And further, if we see fourth point is Rajya Sabha committee recommending to the government in December 2021 to consider updation of pension to bank retirees is another positive development in the matter. And after that, if we see, we have seen that while sanctioning improvement in family pension, the government approach was to resolve the issue, treating it as a social responsibility toward family pensions, and additional funds were provided over above the cost factor allocated to the base settlement accordingly. Fund requirement was not made constrained in meeting. तो जो मीटिंग थी उसमें फंड कंस्ट्रेंट भी नहीं बनाया गया. In meeting this social responsibility to express government sympathy and support toward family pensioners class, Finance Minister herself announced government approval for enhancement in family pension. These development provide a lot of food for thought as how issue of pension updation need to be handled to achieve it. फिर आफ्टर दैट अगर हम देखें तो क्या क्या हुआ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट डायरेक्शन टू IBA to submit committee report on updation for consideration and further directions. Then after that हम डेवलपमेंट देखें, government approving updation pension in RBI in March 2019. So guys, ये the things which we are doing right now is we are just going through the pension updation things that are done in past. And now we'll see the next round of action programs on updation of pension issue. With the above developments, we are hoping that updation issue will be approved within reasonable time, but we find that even after lapse of almost 2 years since signing of last base settlement, the issue is not making headway. Issue अभी भी resolve नहीं हो रहा, and we are now feeling concerned and worried due to undue delay taking place in finalization of proposal by IBA and submission to the government for consideration. While we understand and appreciate the resolution of this complex issue take place, but at the same time we fully share concern, pains and anxiety of pensioners, in particular of those who retired prior to 2002. जो हमारे प्यारे साथी पेंशनर्स 2002 से पहले रिटायर हुए हैं, उनकी एंजाइटी को हम एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. All of them are 75 and above. All those pensions abhi 75 and above and with limited lifespan left. They are silently suffering from almost 20 years for not getting 100% DA2. More than 60,000 pre-2002 retirees have left this world in last 5 years. It's so sad. I'm not able to read this line. In the last 5 years without enjoying their legitimate rights. With every day delaying in achieving, anxiety of this group and other two is increasing. They have only one question: when the waiting will come to an end. Whether they will get benefit of updation during their lifetime or not. Their anxiety and concern are legitimate and logical. इनकी जो anxiety है वो सही है अपनी जगह. अभी AIBRF is committed to make all possible organization efforts till the demand is achieved. In view of inordinate delay taking place in finalization of report by the IBA committee and anxiety of membership is increasing. Time has taken to launch a next round of action program by AIBRF. तो अभी next round of action जो है वो अभी क्या है वो अभी हम देखेंगे. ब्रॉड आउटलाइन है जो नेक्स्ट राउंड ऑफ प्रोग्राम की वो ऐसे होगी. बी प्रपोज टू लॉन्च action program from 15th October 2022. More emphasis will be on updation as per RBI rule in time bound manner. Action program will include submission of memorandums, dharnas, demonstration at journal, registration, regional offices of banks, signature campaign, and relay hunger strike, etc. Object of this action program will be to draw attention of central ministries and members of parliament and other authorities on undue delay taking at IBA level in submission of the proposal to the government for sanctions. तो this will be next round में हमें ये सब होगा. And another major focus जो area रहेगा of action program will be to draw attention of the authorities in the government on the plight and suffering of pensioners जो रिटायर हुए हैं, who retires 20 and 10 years back and getting very low pensions. जो आज से 20 और 10 साल पहले रिटायर हुए हैं उनकी पेंशन बहुत कम है, उनके रिगार्डिंग होगा. एंड मैनी ऑफ देम आल्सो नॉट गेटिंग 100% डियरनेस अलाउंस बेनिफिट, और उनमें से काफ़ी को तो 100% डियरनेस अलाउंस बेनिफिट भी मिल नहीं रहा. फर्दर डिले इज हर्टिंग देम वेरी बैडली. नेक्स्ट जो अपडेशन इशू विल हैव टू बी हाईलाइटेड ऑन एज सोशल इशू एंड नीड टू बी रिजॉल्व टू प्रोवाइड डिग्निटी and respect to senior and super senior जो कि 80 plus है. It will have to be out of the clutches of cost and pension fund requirement. It is seen that once the government is convinced that it is social issue which need urgent solutions, cost factor becomes secondary. उसके बाद जो cost factor है वो secondary बन जाएगा अगर गवर्नमेंट को लगे ये वो कन्विंस हो जाएंगे ये अर्जेंट सोल्यूशन चाहिए इसका. Our whole approach will be on those lines and require out of box thinking. Our all action programs will have to be taken at elevated level with target to involve maximum possible memberships. ठीक है दोस्तों. After that, it will be primary responsibility of state committee to organize action program. State committee affiliation will be required to organize meetings to create awareness about the action programs. So state committees भी help करेंगी. In order to make action program more broad based, AIBRF will take initiative to approach major retiree organization to coordinate and seek their support for action programs। इस प्रोग्राम को और ब्रॉड करने के लिए जो AIBRF है वो इनिशिएटिव्स लेगी, इसको जो मेजर रिटायरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो लोग कोऑर्डिनेट करें। टू हैव जॉइंट action program suggestions received from other retiree organization will be considered and accordingly program will be designed। AIBRF will also launch UFBU leaderships and its constituents to seek their support for the action programs and request them to press IBA for conclusion and negotiation on updation without further loss of time, and also request them to convene joint meetings with major retiree organizations on updation issue to have free frank decisions to free frank discussions on need of all UFBG constituents having common approach, सबकी common approach रहे on updation, constraints and fear of fund factor, misplaced notion of multiplicity of retirees organization in banking industry, unwarranted criticism of authorities by retirees, court cases, etc। उसके बाद we shall convene office bearers meeting in second and third week of September to give final shape to the action programs। सेकेंड और थर्ड जो वीक आएगा सितंबर का, उसमें जो ऑफिस बियरर्स है उसकी मीटिंग होगी। वी कॉल अपॉन ऑल अवर ऑफिस बियरर्स, सेंट्रल कमेटी मेंबर, स्टेट कमेटी एफिलिएट्स एंड देयर state units to be in readiness for all the historical and biggest action programs to achieve most important demand of updation। AIBRF will conduct these action programs with positivity, patience and perseverance। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये हमारे जो जनरल सेक्रेटरी हैं SC जैन, उनका सर्कुलर है साइंड। तो दोस्तों ये देख सकते हैं ऑल इंडिया बैंक रिटायरीज फेडरेशन का दो अभी एक्शन प्रोग्राम है नेक्स्ट फॉर अपडेशन ऑफ पेंशन ऑफ बैंक रिटायरीज। ओके गाइस, सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। थैंक्स टू ऑल फॉर वाचिंग।